I remember I remember everything. I know I sound like Justin Byrne, your favorite movie. I remember how your eyes would get glassy every time you say you love me. I remember how you'd see pain in my eyes and hug me. I remember how we made and kept promises. I remember how you used to truly love me. I miss everything. I miss how your warm arms used to be wrapped around me. I miss lying on your chest and listening to your flaming voice while you tell me stories about how we'd lost forever. I miss kissing your warm lips. I miss trying to reach for them because I'm so short and you're so tall. Our love was tender. I miss all the stupid things we'd do in public. I miss all the horrible food you'd cook for me when I wasn't feeling well. I miss holding you close. I miss telling you that I love you. I miss making love to you. I regret everything. I regret being late that day. I regret not charging my phone till late. I regret not letting you know I wasn't gonna make it. I wish I could change everything. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I wish I could stop you from getting into that car. I wish I could bring you back to life. I need you back in my life. I wish I had superpowers to protect you from that accident. I wish I was a doctor and could do whatever it takes to save your life. I wish I was with you right now. Doctors say they'll let you go after 3 days. Baby, please wake up. If you can't hear me, please give me a sign. You've been in a coma for a year and I'm still here. I still call you mine. I don't want to lose you. I can't lose you. Please. Please wake up.